Hey everyone, here is a short video to explain in broad terms how the main welding processes work. I won't go into too much detail. I think I do a detailed video of each process. In current welding process we meet generally shielded metal arc welding SMAW, also named stick welding, gas torch welding or oxy-fuel welding, TIG welding, also named Gaz Tungsten Arc Welding GTAW, and gas metal arc welding GMAW. Shielded metal arc welding SMAW. Stick welding consists of a wad of materials coated with a flux. The wad is used here as an electrode in the electrical circuit. Melting is achieved by a very high temperature, which is obtained by an electric arc between the workpiece and the electrode. The main functions of the electrode coating are to ensure the stability of the arc and to protect the molten metal from the atmosphere with the gases created during the decomposition of the coating by the heat of the arc. This shielding controls the mechanical properties, chemical composition, and metallurgical structure of the weld metal, as well as the characteristics of the electrode. Now, gas torch welding is a process for thermally joining sheets and tubes of the same materials with a thickness of 2 mm or less. In fact, it is a mixture of two gases, oxygen and acetylene. This mixture ignites and after correct adjustment allows welding. The weld itself is obtained after the metal to be welded has been brought to fusion. The final metal is then added to obtain a quality weld. TIG welding is obtained by the electric arc between the workpiece and the invisible tungsten electrode. The energy obtained allows the metal to be brought to fusion and the final metal to be added manually. And lastly, there is MIG welding, GMAW, the most popular welding process. For a simple reason, it is clearly the most cost-effective for mass production. For this process, an electric arc is obtained between the workpiece and the feeder wire. When the arc is obtained, the feeder wire is passed at a steady speed through the molten metal generated by the powerful energy of the arc. A weld bead is produced by mixing the feeder metal and the molten base metal during melting, which is carried out under gas protection. And here is the end of this video. Thank you for your time, see you soon, and turn the bell on, friend. Ciao!